Sample home insurance quote with flood protection in Toronto. As extreme weather events become more frequent, Canadian homeowners are increasingly recognizing the importance of flood insurance. In Toronto, where flash floods can wreak havoc, understanding insurance policies and coverage options is crucial. Flood protection coverage is an optional add-on to standard home insurance policies that provides financial protection against damages caused by flooding. It covers the cost of repairing or replacing your home and personal belongings if they are damaged by floodwaters. Types of water damage coverage and flood insurance endorsements. A flood can occur from multiple sources. Heavy rains can cause a city's main drains to back up and flow into your basement. Overflowing rivers and ponds could cause a swell of groundwater that flows into your home. Heavy snowmelt can leak through your foundation, causing severe damage. Here are flood insurance options you may want to consider in your given situation. Sewer backup coverage. A sewer backup occurs when the main sewage line has a blockage causing the wastewater to reverse direction and potentially flow up into your home. Aging pipes can cause a mainline sewer blockage, and so can broken pipes, tree roots, or excessive rainwater or thawing snow entering the system. For prevention, you could purchase a backflow preventer, which is a plumbing device installed on your main drain line. It is a simple mechanical piece of durable plastic that recognizes when water starts backing up and lifts a flap to prevent any more wastewater from entering. Many insurance companies offer a financial incentive for you to install one. Depending on a multitude of factors, the largest being access to the drain, the cost to install one is roughly $1,000 to $3,000. Overland water coverage. Overland water, which is sometimes called an inland flood, is when floodwater essentially covers otherwise dry land. You might think the only danger is if you live near a pond, lake, river, or stream, but its most common occurrence is from heavy rain and melting snow around your house. If you don't have water diverting away from your foundation, or if you let snow accumulate around your home without proper waterproofing, that water can enter the basement through the foundation. If you have a finished basement, this could lead to tens of thousands of dollars in renovation and repair bills unless you have purchased this as an add-on for your home insurance policy. Coastal, or storm surge, flood coverage. Coastal flooding is the result of an abnormal rise in sea water level. If you live on the east or west coast, and near the water, understand that you are at risk because this form of flooding is not offered by most insurance companies. In fact, according to a recent study by Partners for Action, 94% of Canadians living in high-risk flood zones are unaware of their risk. Furthermore, less than 30% of those surveyed are doing anything to protect their property from flood risk. There are currently only two ways to protect yourself from storm surge. One is to insure your home with the Cooperators Group, as they are the only insurance company that currently offers this protection. It's included in their comprehensive water coverage, and it covers water damage no matter where it comes from. They decided after the floods in Toronto and Montreal in 2013 that they needed a more comprehensive form of coverage. They made the coverage first available to residents seeking Alberta home insurance starting in 2015, and then started rolling it out across the country. Residents seeking to add this coverage within Atlantic Canada or to their British Columbia home insurance policy had to wait until 2018. Alternatively, you can rely on the Canadian government's disaster financial assistance arrangements. As climate change intensifies weather patterns, flood insurance remains a critical safeguard for Toronto residents. Understanding policy details, exploring coverage options, and advocating for accessible insurance are essential steps toward resilience in the face of natural disasters.